Today, we're focusing on a frontier that is both exhilarating and fraught with complexity. Autonomous vehicles. From ethics to infrastructure. From control to trust. The real challenge isn't just engineering autonomy, it's earning society's confidence.
I think for any new technology, especially it was controlled by machines, humans have a tendency to have much higher standards on this.
It's very important that we do not talk about numbers and spreadsheets, but we talk about the safety of the people we care about. Trust is about feelings. It's not about statistics. It's about anxieties and experiences.
Adding zero requires partnership, requires the ecosystem. That's why we need to work with the top OEMs, mass producing the vehicles. And then we also need to work with the public and private sectors.
The problem is not that we expect that autonomous cars are better than us, but we expect that they are better than what we believe how good we are.
It's all about ecosystem. It's also about smart and harmonized regulation. We need to have people experiencing autonomous vehicle, customers, road users, and for us to improve the system through also the feedback that we get from the customers.
Today's conversation reminded us that autonomous vehicles are more than a technological leap. They're a societal choice. The path to trust, inclusion, and sustainability will be shaped not by just the systems we build, but by the priorities that we set.